Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Techaruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial, and so today we are going to see about how to edit video using Canva totally free. You must be knowing about many video editor with payment, and they also provide the free version, but then to certain extent only. Here in Canva you can use this video editor totally free, and you can do all animations, add all effects, text, images, everything you want. So without wasting much time, we will get into this, that how to edit video using Canva. So I'm going to enter into Canva platform, log in, and then I have chosen a blank video template. See, after that, we need to add some video. So either you can use your own video by uploading it and get it from there, or else you can choose any video which is available in the Canva for free. So let me search for a rain video. Yeah, I have got it here. So I'm going to use it. So this I'm going to enlarge it. I'm going to use it as background. So I've done this. So this is our video. All right. Now I just want this to be shorter. So I'm going to click somewhere and then right click. Now we will get this page where it is giving us some options about you can add a new page, you can duplicate this page, you can delete this page, you can lock this page, and also you can split this page. Now we are going to split the page. So I'm clicking on split. Now you can see the video is splitted. Now again, one more click, I want to do it, I can again go there and split page. And now if you don't want this part, you can actually delete this video after splitting the page. Now delete it. Now I think how to remove a particular portion from a video, you've learned it right away. Right now, here we have two bits of videos and I want to add something here. So you can see the plus sign here. So now when you click here, you will get this add a page, empty pages available. Again here, if you want to add something, you can choose again a video template. Now we have added this also. I am expanding that also. Come on. Now you can see here how your video is changed to, just you can see here. See here, this was a first video. Now we have got our second video also continuously running. This is how you can add a new page to it. Now again, I don't want this lengthy video. I'm going to right click and find split page and splitting it, and I'm going to delete this lengthy part. Done. Now when the transition is without any transition, what happens is it looks very simple. Now we can add transition here. So in between two pages, when you move your cursor, it will give some option which is D. Come on, here we can add transition. When you click here, you will get n number of transitions available. Let us check one by one. Now we can add this dissolve just like that. Now add slide, add circular movement, add color wipe, then line wipe, then you have match and move, then we have flow, we have stack, and we have chop. Now I am going to use this color wipe. So now after adding this animation effect, it is asking me in which direction you want it. So when I do this, it is right hand side, left hand side, then rise up, down, diagonal up, right, left, diagonal down, right, and left. Now here again, you can go for some changes in the colors also. You can use the same colors, or you can go and choose another vibrant color, whichever you want. See, you can see here. When you change it, it is visible in the transition. So I can change any color. I'll add one pink over here. Now it is more colorful. So you can done. Now there is an option. This transition could be done in all the bits of videos. Either you can choose for apply between all pages, or else you can go for every time you can go for a new transition. The best way is to apply between all pages. Reason, you will maintain a theme throughout the video. Now this is how you can split the page. Then you can delete the page you want, or you can split the page, you can delete the unwanted page, and then you can add transitions in between. You can add a new page. We have learned all these things. Now how to add a text. Now let us see. We are going to go for, we'll go out of this transition, correct? Now we'll go for elements, and then below that we can see the text. We can choose the text here, and then click add a heading. I have a quote here: change the climate, not the planet. This is the quote which I'm going to use in this video. So how am I going to use it? You can see I'm going to shift it here, and I can go for white color. Why? Because the video background is black color, dark color. So I'm going to go for a white color. Now we can actually add some effect to the font. See here, effects. Click effects. I will be adding some neon effect. So let's see how this works. So it comes with a glittery effect. Got it? Now I've got this. Now I can animate this also. Now, how am I going to animate? Click animate. You can see here variety of animation. See, you can rise above. You know about animations. You can fade it, breathe it. So I have done, I am going to choose something very nice here. Let me check what I am going to do with storm. I am going to use here storm. So this is how you can actually, now when we see this video, you can see here it's taking a bit of time. Let us wait. Yes, now you can see how this worked. We'll go for this first one. Once again, we'll play it. So you can see the effect, very nicely done. We'll see the transition done, everything properly done. Now this is how you can add the text over here, and then add effect and animation effect to the text. Now I'm going to add an image. Let us see how we are going to add an image. Now in the elements, I'm going to write, I think moon image will be the best to add here. So let us go for moon, and I have got a very glittery moon here. I'm going to add this moon here. Now here also I can place the moon somewhere. I can add again animation effect for this moon. I've added the flicker animation. Now let us see how this flicks. You can see how the moon flicks. Now here, I don't want this lengthy video. I'm going to delete it. Now your video is ready. In case if you want to check, you can check how this video is going to play. Now let us see how this works. See the effect is there. Now it is going to go for transition, and the moon flicks. So this is how we can edit a video. If you found this useful, click the button like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions to say, do comment me in the comment box. Thank you for watching.